Super T-Series pumps are equipped with a suction check valve to reduce the constant repriming associated with other self-priming pumps. This positive sealing valve can be easily inspected or replaced without disconnecting any piping. After draining the pump and removing the back cover plate, remove the check valve pin, reach through the back cover opening, and pull the complete assembly from the suction flange. Should the suction check valve become worn out, it must be replaced as a complete unit. Individual parts are not sold separately. The check valve has a blowout center that limits excessive volute pressure. Should pressures exceed normal limits, this center is designed to fail, thus protecting the pump casing. A machined valve seat integral to the suction flange assures a positive seal of the suction check valve. Only the flange would need to be replaced should the seat become worn.